Hello fan collectors. What I have here is a 1990 Hunter original ceiling fan. This is the other original I had mentioned in my other original video, the pure white one. Yeah, I finally found some blade arms for him. Yeah, it cost me $5 at the Habitat store here in Memphis. Yeah, with these blades didn't come with the blade arms, but these blades I already have. And I think this is neat right here. I think this is bleached, either bleached or light oak, and white on the other side. It looks pretty nice. Something I prefer putting in a room where it's all brown. Yeah, and the canopy is still in fine condition. And I know this part right here, I'm pretty soon gonna have to paint it white to make it look, like picture perfect. Okay, let me start it off on high. Just listen to that air. What I like about them blades too, you don't see it wobbling. You don't see this fan wobbling not one bit. So whoever gave these blades up, they left them in good condition. It's medium. Yeah, low. And of course, folks always like that low speed. It just looks pretty neat that way. Go ahead and reverse the switch right here. Start it back. Okay. Yeah, when I got this fan, along with the other white original I have, see the blades for this one were all bent up and broken. And finding blades for a 4-bladed original older model like this one are pretty hard to find. Now you can just hear that air like whisper wind. Well, hope you enjoy it.